Hi guys, and welcome to WWS. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to use already made tufts, how to cut them up and how to apply them to your diorama. So stay tuned after this. Okay, so I've got a selection of tufts ready to go. Yeah, just peel them off and stick them down. But also there's a couple of tools that I use. Yeah, so tweezers. Yeah, that's a wide tipped tweezer, right? There's a precision one that I use, and then a scalpel. Okay, so there's lots of companies out there that do tufts, and there's lots of wonderful weird shapes as well. But I want to show you that a simple round tuft, what you can actually do just by cutting it up or pulling it apart, and then just dressing it around the diorama, just by using them. Like the 10mm tufts you can stretch right out, yeah, to give you a good bush effect. And so on and so forth. So what we do is go straight into using the 10mm tuft. Just taking out the pack. Now I've used some of these on a previous model, right? That's why they're half down, but you get a good 50 on that side and then a 50 on that side. Okay, so I've got 100 tufts that you get. Yeah, so just simply peel them off, right? And what you can do then is bosh, stick them straight down. Yeah, and what I tend to do then is just fluff it out a little bit more. Yeah, so it blends in, so it's not just sticking up, yeah, and it blends in. Okay. Now I got some loose scatter on here, right? And as much as that you try to put it down, it is a little bit looser. And if I stick a tuft on top of there, yeah, it'll just get clogged up with the scatter. So what I use is our basing glue, yeah, and just a little blob of glue. And then what I can do then, right, is peel another one off. Like I said, they are self-adhesive, but if there's stuff down on there, they will come off. So just a little bit of extra glue. But then what I can do now is bosh, a little bit off, peel a little bit off, stick it down with the base glue, yeah, and when that goes off then you can start pushing it around. So leave it there till it goes off. Okay, yeah, same again, let's do some other parts on the grass. So the static grass that we've done, yeah, this is a board that I've obviously done for some photos for Josh. Bang, okay. And we'll leave that go off and then we could spread it. So the ones that we're using here are 10mm wild grass. Yeah, and if I show you, yeah, you've got two different colours. Yeah, I got a thumbs up for there. Josh has seen it. You've got the dark green, oh, down, now I got thumbs up. You've got the dark green and then the light meadow on top. Yeah. So what are the tufts that we got then? So we got some spring alpine here, or is it summer alpine? Summer alpine we got here, right? So these now are our summer alpine. You've got a little bit of rocks in with them, yeah. Again, a simple thing, just peel them off. Okay, if I come to the camera again, yeah, and get a good nod on that one, yeah. There you can see, right, and at the bottom, you can see like little rocks are down. So again, this we've got a self-adhesive again. Yeah, you can just either stick it straight down. Now this is good now for rocky mountains, or you know what I mean. So a pathway that you got, the stones are going to be chucked away and stuff. So again, what you can do as well, little blob of glue again. Again, I'm saying for the glue because obviously I've got some loose scatter on here and sometimes it doesn't stick. And we want a little thin tuft. We'll do one out here. Again, wait for it to go off and then we can spread it out a bit more. Okay, so now we can see that just out of a simple round tuft, that I'm starting to get different shapes with it. Yeah, you can see now that you poke it down as well. And again, this is where I use the tool. Yeah, spread it down, but this then will help to spread out. The glue's not quite done yet, so leave it go. Yeah, it'll help to spread out the tuft. Yeah, don't be afraid to be rough with it. They're quite strong, they're quite robust. But I'm getting different shapes just by picking them off. Yeah, so let's do a flowery one. These are flowers and they got a sort of a woodland base to them. Okay, so Josh is shouting at me now to do the strips. Yeah, so this is a nice long tuft. Okay, and then like I said, we can look at that. Yeah, look how stretchy that is. Okay, I'm stretching that. So if I go from show you that stretch that much, I started off like that. Yeah, and I stretched it out that much so far. Okay, so we could do all of the path around and stick it down. Again, I've got like loose foliage on here, so sometimes some of it might stick, some of it not. So what we'll do is stick a bit of glue there. I got a barber glue there, so I'm going to just stick a flower number there, bosh. So, then it is just by ripping them up and stuff like that. If you want to be a little bit more picky with it, or you know, what I mean, a little bit, you want little small chunks. I got a scalpel here, so be careful. Like, you know, we all know scalpels are uber sharp. Yeah, so just saw through it. Yeah, on a cut mat. Again, we can reapply some glue with it if you want to. Cut through the tuft. Yeah, there's a small little tuft I've just done. Put it in a section with there. Put it on. Yeah, and again, once that's dry, we can fluff it out a bit. Yeah, we can do. It's stuck to the baseboard, so we can do ultra thin ones if we want to. Okay. These are great now if you want to do stuff like round a pond or something. I'm going to stick this right, and Josh, is that a good place to stick it? You can see it, yeah, I'm getting a nod with there. So a little blob of glue. Yeah, these are really fun. So we've got, I mean, the biggest grass I had here was 4mm, okay? And now we've got 10mm tuft up there. Yeah, these are 4mm tufts. I believe that's a 6mm tuft. They are your 4mm flowers, yeah, and the 4mm flowers were there. So we've got some good height on there, and I pretty much think that's quite good at the end of the day when we've taken a normal basic model and spliced it up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed our little short video on how to apply our ready-made tufts. Yeah, I think you can see that it is quite simple. Coming up on the next video is how to use our ProGrass box and how that you can make it yourself and stick them down. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and share and then subscribe to the channel. And until next time, thanks very much. Bye-bye.